this partnership is crucial for our future, and the reason why we are investing into SkyeBase is because we fully believe in the solutions they have developed over the past years, which can help us make the next step for our own future.
This partnership is quite unique because it's the complementarity that we find between Vinçotte and SkyeBase. Vinçotte, well known for the safety services in all fields that we are present, and on the other hand we have SkyeBase. SkyeBase is quite unique as they are doing remote inspections with robots, with drones, so it's the high technology in combination with the expertise of Vinçotte for more than 150 years.
The reason why this partnership makes a lot of sense now is because we see a lot of change in the market. A lot of our customers are looking for tools to do more with less, inspect better, safer, and help their inspectors in the field.
SkyeBase is focusing on data collection and data processing, so data collection with drones, robots, and data processing with digital platforms and AI. Together with Vinçotte, we can combine, let's say, the data collection, data processing, and the expertise.
But that's quite easy. Yeah? Welcome to the digital world of Vinçotte Kiwa. It's so important that we can deliver tomorrow digital information for our customers.